Today I'm moving out of my house, but I haven't even packed yet. Haven't even packed. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, August 15th, and today I'm moving out of my house, but I haven't even packed yet. Haven't even packed. So I'm cleaning my room right now. My mom's making me pancakes, and I made a whole to-do list. I'm leaving around 2 p.m. and we gotta get going. So let me clean my room. It'll be a quick little montage. We'll get started. Hi, good morning. My mom made me pancakes. Thank you, Mumsy. Guys, tell me I don't look like a little boy. I just had breakfast and now I'm going to shower. We're gonna shampoo, condition, shave, whiten our teeth, the full 9 yards. This is a 1-hour whitening strip. Obviously not sponsored, but I feel like you guys will ask what I'm using. I'm using the Crest 3D White No Slip White Strip Dental Whitening Kit. Removes years of stains in just 1 hour. Before I do my makeup and stuff, I'm gonna do my nails. Okay, basically, I just need to cut them and repaint them. My camera has been having a really hard time focusing lately. Let's do my nails! I always do glitter nail polish. This is from Urban Outfitters. Okay guys, before I get packing, I'm gonna do a quick Target haul because personally, I always love watching Target hauls, so. First of all, I got a new loofah. This is essential. It's cream, it's cute, it's perfect. Let's move on. I got this shape and trim from head to toe. It's like this electric little shaver. You can use it on facial hair. So I use it on my mustache area. You have to be really careful when you use razors on your face, but this one is meant for your face, so it works perfect. I recommend. It's from Target. It's Philips. I actually got a couple new beauty blenders. I got one from e.l.f. I'll let you guys know if I like it, and then I got 4 mini ones from Real Techniques. I really want to try these out. I feel like I'll really like them. I got some socks because you can just never have enough socks because you always lose them. I got some hair ties, again, just like socks. How do we always lose these? But I needed some. I got brown to match my hair. I also got some Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I love this stuff. This is my 3rd bottle. I'm just really good at getting off makeup. I got the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. I'm gonna let you guys know how I like this soon. I really want to do an updated makeup routine and I'll let you guys know if I like it. It's just clear and I'll let you guys know if it holds up my brows. Ooh, this is heavy. I got some cotton pads to go along with the micellar water. I got this Dove Hydrating Aloe and Birch Water scent. I've been using a Dove body wash my whole life. I never really get the scented ones. My dad buys the huge Costco packs and usually they don't really have a specific scent, but I love the smell of aloe, so I got my own. I got another one of my shampoos because I'm kind of running out. The name of the shampoo is in my shower routine video. If you want to know what I'm using, it will be linked below. This is my favorite shampoo of all freaking time. It smells so good. I got some aloe because I've been sunburned recently and I just put aloe on my legs and stuff after I shave. This aloe is for sunburns, but I think it works amazing and I'll use it even when I don't have a sunburn. I got this new makeup bag because the makeup bag I have right now, I love it. It's to die for, but it's really dirty. This one's a lot longer and it will fit makeup brushes. The one I have now isn't really big enough to fit a makeup brush, so I got a new one. I got some nail polish remover because I always have sparkles on my nails and if I ever want to remove it, we're gonna need to do that. I got some Vagisil because feminine hygiene, everybody. I got some hand soap. I got this bottle because it will be very easy to refill, but it looks pretty. And my mom was just telling me that everything I use is probably gonna be on film, so might as well make it pretty. I got new deodorant. Dove deodorant smells so good. Oh, there's a cap on it, but. And I got some oil blotting sheets because your girl's Italian, and so I get very oily, and I love that stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a suitcase, and we're gonna get packing. It's 10:25, and I haven't even started packing at all, so. All right, let's pack this. Hey, let's go. That took me about an hour. Oh, I have mascara all under my eye. Let's ignore it. I'm gonna pack miscellaneous things now. I have a couple shower products I still need to pack. I decided to straighten my hair a little bit because we are filming. I want to look presentable as I'm wearing like such a weird outfit. And then I'm going to wait for this to cool down all the way before I pack it because we do not want to start a fire. I just made the thumbnail and Instagram trailer for the videos coming out today.
Today we're gonna be doing something called the Dare Challenge. I'm pregnant.
Oh goodness.
Do not do this at home. I'm so serious. Please do not try any of the things
What
that
am
we
I
did.
allowed to do with this?
I'm gonna pack this into my car, I think. Oh goodness. This is my sister's. I didn't tell her I was using it. Hopefully she doesn't care. Oopsies. Now I'm going to vacuum my car. I won't be able to do that for like a month. So let's get the vacuum out. I just duetted somebody that made like a £1 LA chain. Go watch it! I just packed my microphone stand because I used it to film TikToks. This do be kind of heavy though. Hangers. I'ma miss you. My sister is making me and the boys banana bread and cookies. What an angel. I leave in about 20 minutes, and so I'm just gonna hang out with my family, even though my dad's ignoring me. And anyways, I love you. 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 Thank you for supporting me, mamas. I love you so much. I am about to leave. This is crazy. The future starts now, guys. If you're watching this, I love you. I love you so much, and like your support means everything to me, and I just, yeah. Goodbye guys, I will vlog when I'm there. No! Nate and I are here first. Nate said that I didn't pack a lot. We'll see if I forgot anything.
We got 19 more minutes until we can go into the house.
The man, the myth.
I made it.
Yay! Going boys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The kitchen is gorgeous. I'm so happy. This is beautiful.
Joshie, this is my room.
Guys, my bathroom. This is beautiful. This is to die for, guys. There's so much room for us to bake. Guys, I just brought in my groceries. I'm gonna put them away. All right, I'm in my bathroom. I've gotten everything from my car, and I'm gonna start unpacking. So I put all my stuff in the bathroom, but I'm not gonna show you guys because I'm definitely gonna do like a bathroom tour and a room tour. So you don't get it all in one video. You better stay tuned, better hit that subscribe button. Turns out I have this huge closet. Josh opened it, I didn't even know it was here. So I'm putting all my tops and hoodies right there. Of course, organizing from color and long sleeve to short sleeve. I don't know what I'm gonna put there yet. Shoes up there, and then I'm putting my pants right here. So I'm unloading some jeans and stuff. We got the fan going because it's hot. I brought this picture of me and Daniela that she got me for my birthday, like freshman year. And I brought this picture that my sister pinned me because I'm shooting for the stars.
I don't wanna hear sad songs, but you know I heard them all along. It's only right when you're with me.
My family's here. Isn't it gorgeous?
Gorgeous.
Oh, that's so cute. So all the boys have left me and they're going shopping. All right. Ooh, it's dark. Right now I'm working on LEDs, but I have 2 strips. Look guys, I finished. Let's go. All right guys, it's getting kind of late. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to see what the pound can do, and it's crazy having 6 brothers who support me and love me, and I hope you guys subscribe and just see us take over the world and the internet. We love you. We're so grateful for you. Have a beautiful, amazing day.